Hey guys, what's good? I hit 75 subscribers. That means it's Dairy Queen time. I've got a Royal New York Cheesecake Blizzard that I admit I ate a bit of on the way to here. I'm turning that off. That's bright. Anyway. How you guys doing? I'm doing good. Cold. So in addition to, hitting 75 subscribers, I ran out of ADHD medication the other day, and I am hanging by a thread. Genuinely just not in a good state of mind right now. I ordered a large. There's a lot of ice cream in here. There's a lot of Blizzard. Oh. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed so far. So close to 100. Still got 4 months left in the year before to reach the goal of 100 subscribers. And plus, like I promised, I'll reveal my Roblox account, and I'll go to that Wendy's that has 1.5 stars online. I had a dream last night that I had like 223 or 221 subscribers. It was a good dream. Oh, excuse me. You guys want to see something cool that I own? Yeah, it's a Castle Crashers helmet. I made it myself. Duct tape, a bike helmet, a 5-gallon bucket, plexiglass face shield, and a few screws. It's the red Castle Crasher. That's right, I do cosplay stuff as well. My nose. Blizzard, pretty fucking good. 2 thumbs up. Now then, I also got a large thing of cheese curds and burger. But dear God, that Blizzard was so filling. I will make a couple of extra videos, I think, regarding these later. I'm sorry, but dear God, that Blizzard was filling. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, good cheese. Cheese is good. Dear God, I'm late. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.